Hi everyone and welcome to the Texas Water Development Board's latest water and weather report, the Stay Home, Stay Safe version. I'm Dr. Mark Wentzel, a hydrologist in the Surface Water Division here at the agency, and today we're going to take a look at conditions for our state at the end of March 2020. You may notice that this backdrop isn't my usual studio space. That's because I'm coming to you from the Wentzel household. At the end of March, 20% of the state was in drought, the tan and darker colors on the map, the same amount as in late February. But in South Texas, drought has intensified. Exceptional drought, the dark red in Zapata County, has reappeared in the state for the first time since September 2018. An extreme or worse drought, the red and dark red on the map, has expanded from 3 percentage points in late February and now covers 5% of the state. This map shows how drought conditions change from early March to the end of March. Green areas indicate improved drought condition, whereas yellow areas indicate degradation or worsening of drought conditions. Continuing a trend from earlier in the year, improvements during March came in the north and west, while areas to the south and east experienced degradation. Overall, the month of March was good for our statewide water supply reservoirs. We began the month at about 86% of capacity, almost 2 percentage points more than what is considered normal for that time of year. During the month, storage climbed to more than 87%, about 3 percentage points above normal for this time of year. Drought outlook for the next 3 months is a bit more optimistic for Texas than last month's outlook. Through the end of June, the National Weather Service isn't expecting any new areas of drought development in our state, and improvements are expected along the upper coast and in central Texas. However, drought is expected to persist in South Texas. That concludes our water and weather report for March. In summary, 20% of the state remains in moderate or worse drought, the same as at the end of last month. Extreme or worse drought covers 5% of the state, up 2 percentage points from the end of February. Our water supply storage has improved slightly and is now 3 percentage points more than normal for this time of year. In coming months, drought is expected to contract along the upper coast and in central Texas, but persist in South Texas. Thanks for viewing, everyone, and hope you all stay safe and healthy.